When you're looking to collect payments securely online, choosing the right payment provider can feel overwhelming. With payable apps, you can connect trusted payment providers directly to your Google Forms and Google Sheets workflows, making it easy to collect payments, automate processes, and get paid faster. Today, we'll focus on the three providers most commonly used by payable customers: Stripe, Square, and PayPal. The best choice depends on where you're located, how you accept payments, the currencies you need to support, and the checkout experience you want to offer your customers. So, which one is right for you? Let's break it down. Stripe is one of the most popular options for online payments, and it's available in over 40 countries and over 135 different currencies. Stripe offers a very smooth checkout experience and robust dashboard for managing your account. With payable apps in Stripe, you can accept credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and a variety of region specific methods like Klarna, Afterpay, Bancontact, SEPA, and more. Stripe automatically sends a transaction receipt to the customer when they process a payment. When it comes to receiving your funds, you can set up automated payouts to your bank account. Next up is Square. Square is an excellent option for businesses that sell both online and in person. Their card readers allow you to accept physical payments while keeping all of your transactions in one system. Square makes it easy to keep online and in person payments connected, and for larger operations, you can create separate locations under one main account. With payable apps in Square, you can accept credit and debit cards, Cash App, Google Pay, and Apple Pay payments. Things to consider with Square: international availability is more limited compared to some other providers. Square only supports accounts based in Canada, the US, Australia, Ireland, the UK, and Japan. Square does not send transaction receipts to the customer after they have processed a payable payment. Regarding payouts, you can configure automated payouts to your bank account so your funds are constantly flowing. And lastly, PayPal. PayPal is one of the most recognized and trusted payment brands worldwide, available in over 180 countries. PayPal supports payments via credit and debit cards, Venmo, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal's Buy Now, Pay Later. Like Stripe, PayPal automatically sends a transaction receipt to the customer after they've processed a payment. Unlike Stripe and Square, PayPal payments must be manually withdrawn from PayPal to your bank account, meaning you need to log into your PayPal account anytime you want to move your funds. Things to consider with PayPal: PayPal offers a standard and commerce type checkout. Their standard checkout caters to accepting payments from customers who are able to use their own PayPal account, while the commerce checkout enables your customers to make direct card payments. That's to say, payments that don't require the use of a PayPal account. PayPal Standard is a good fit for individuals, clubs, and small organizations with a lower projected revenue and whose customers are already familiar with PayPal. If you're wanting to process recurring payments like subscriptions or installments, you will need a PayPal Commerce account. The good news: no matter which provider you choose, Payable Apps helps you securely collect payments directly through Google Forms and Sheets workflows. In short, choose Stripe if you want maximum flexibility, extensive payment method support, and strong international capabilities. Choose Square if you sell both online and in person and want a unified payment ecosystem. Choose PayPal if customer familiarity and quick setup are your priorities. If you want to learn more about setting up payments with payable apps, no code, low cost add ons, check out the resources shown here and in the description below.